Hello. 8th lesson in Artcam 2011 item set. 8th lesson in 4 salt. We will continue from Vec 4a. In this lesson, we will cover note editing. Under the note editing and 4 tools menu. It is located right next to the select icon. Note editing is actually a kind of select icon. And any shape contained within the page. Any shape we have drawn. As you can see with note editing Vasta. With note editing Vasta, we can give this shape the form we want. In the vectoral sense. So, there are 4 vertical points that I have drawn. I put these points at the corners where I want each one. I can stretch or shorten it manually. And the shape I just drew as a dictator is different. I can handle it. While note editing is active. With the right click, Mugos can change the shape of the line and any part of it. When I right click, I access some command shortcuts. If we look at these one by one, there is an insert and note option here. This means adding dots. So I right-clicked everywhere. I hovered over the line and right-clicked. I can add as many dots as I want wherever I want. By pulling these points, I can change the shape of the shape to whatever I want. As you can see, by adding dots from the insert and note option. Next to this, right-click again. With converse span Bezier option. Diaper ricochets on the line I clicked. I can create and make any changes I want on the shape of these arms and the patient weapon. I add dots again, and each dot I add creates a piece of cloth between 2 dots. This way, I have the chance to bring it to the form you want. As you can see here, note editing is used in the drawn vector drawings. Creates cloth ricochets by adding dots and deleting the dots, and many other options allow us to design these shapes in our own way. Here there is a multiple family vector option. At the point where we have reached the floor vector, we mark it with a dot. It works because I came upon you. As you can see, I right-click. Add the points you want by pressing the key on the floor vector or keyboard in Danish. I'm tearing it off. As you can see now, these 2 points actually made the line independent of the shape. Come over again and put the green dot here from the beginning. It becomes the point. I can choose any point, that is, here. Right-click and start note. I can change it. Here while note tink is active. There are many things we can do with right-click commands. For example, while the shape is selected here and there, it is between these 2 points. Can vary spanto arc by right-clicking again. So you already see the shortcuts here. With these letters. In fact, you are executing one of these commands. Here. Created an arc between 2 lines. It will happen. As you can see, in this arc from the center point. We can pull it open and narrow it down. With this spring. By right-clicking we can access the Comer Spanto Lane option. Well. Straightens the bow. It means create a line. It goes backwards. Here we also create a background. We can also make it a straight line on the back. Let's try the line here, here and here again. To find the exact midpoint of the line we have drawn, we use the following option in. So between 2 points. The exact midpoint, that is, between 2 points. Insert emit node to find the midpoint of the vector. You can select the option with the May key from the keyboard as a shortcut. It creates a point in the middle of our paste. We see. If we hover over it and say hourly times vector, we can get it from here. That's all I have to agree on in the 8th lesson. See you at Tap Cider.